I forgot about that. Well, that little draw. I managed to win that.
How many snakes would you like to guess? You didn't get the exact number, but they basically said you were the closest to the number. It was like 144. What do you reckon your mum's gonna think when you come home with like a whole jar of sugar? What do you reckon is the surprise? What car do you reckon? I'm gonna give you a clue. These cars are in one of your favourite drift teams, I'm pretty sure.
Team Kamikaze?
Nope.
No, I can only think of Team Kamikaze.
Japanese team.
It's not N-Style, is it?
No. Pretty sure Noriaro done a video on it not too long ago. What was it saying? I can't remember now. One of those guys. I'll give you another clue. You know the engine I had sitting in there?
Mm-hmm.
The RB20?
Yeah.
This RB20 has gone into it and it's the standard motor for that car. I'll give you one more clue. This particular car or model and make of car, there's quite a few different year models, but also quite a few versions of that model, if that makes sense.
It's not an R31, is it?
Not an R31.
R30?
Nope. But you're getting closer.
Is it a Skyline?
It is a Skyline.
Wait, did you get that R32? Perhaps?
Perhaps. Let's go have a look. Let's go check out this shed and see what's in it.
Oh, Arbor Moon.
The Arbor Moon?
Yeah. Oh, okay. Wait, perhaps.
Alright, let's go and see.
Whoa, wow, that's...
Yeah. And what else is new in the shed?
I think perhaps that.
No. What's the car sitting on? What's the car sitting on?
Holy crap.
Got a hoist. You didn't even notice it. You're looking at the car thinking there's no wheels on it, it's just a step up on blocks, but yeah, we got it on the hoist. So now it looks like a proper shed, doesn't it?
Oh wow, that's so cool. Holy crap.
Definitely makes it easy to work on, that's for sure. And I've already put the motor in, so have a look under here. Got the nice RB20. It's a pretty nice engine bay, hey, all the tub guards and shiny black and purple paint. Just a little update with the 32. Got the engine out here on the stand ready to go in. Had a bit of a drama, like this was the Crossmember out of it, which didn't line up with the engine mounts. So I had to borrow or swapped with Charlie's one and pulled the Crossmember out of Charlie's 33 from the paddock. Gave it a good clean up, ready to chuck this in, just a bit of a trial kit. So it's a pretty tidy motor. Haven't checked the clutch or anything in it. We're just going to chuck it in, make sure the tail shaft, the engine mounts, and measure up where I need intercooler and all these power steering lines, etc. Once that's all in, then I'll know what I need to order. And I might replace a few of these sort of hoses and some of these lines as well. Chuck in some new spark plugs, maybe a new clutch, maybe a timing belt, may as well while it's out, and then it should be good to go in. Pretty cool, eh?
Okay, that's insane.
So Charlie, the thing with the hoist, we just can't use it if I'm not around, or you can go up and down unless I'm around, just in case you don't lock it in properly or don't use it quite correctly. But I'll show you how to use it correctly, and you can use it as long as I'm in the area and checking it, because you want to make sure you don't drop the car down and stuff, or wheel the toolbox trolley underneath it, or put your toe underneath it and lower it onto your foot.
Wow, geez. These seats are comfortable. They're better than my mum's car. Yeah, like sitting like this, steering wheel's a bit loose. Is that quick release?
No, and it's a bit loose. There's only 2 bolts holding it in.
But I mean, like that's pretty like that's basically how
you like
I'd do it. Like I've got my head up straight like that, and back in the seat.
I reckon if you slid forward just a little bit, you'd be just perfect. Just under your left leg, I think.
Yeah.
So the idea, the reason I bought this car, well, 2 reasons. I bought that RB20 the other day, or the other month, and I was just waiting for a car to turn up without the engine so I could put it in. And I also wanted one that I can get going a bit quicker than the S15, because the S15 is a bit more of a long-term project and it's going to cost a lot to get it built how I want to build it. So this will be a temporary muck around fun drift car. So what do you got here, Charlie?
This is my current little logo. It's Poorish. It's so in the middle you've got Poorish, and then on the top it says feeling broke, and then in the Japanese I just got that off Google Translate and it says I'm poor.
Cool.
So,
let's do a little walk around. I'll show you what else is cool on this car. If we come around this way, Charlie, I'll show you what else is cool. So yeah, we've got the tub guards, that's kind of cool. We've got BC Racing coilovers. Yeah, so they don't look brand new, but they've never been driven on, so they've been in here for a little while. But
I like how the brake calipers are broken.
yeah, so we've got I think they're the R33 turbo brakes with bigger rotors and drilled and slotted.
R32 tail lights, honestly.
They're your favourite lights?
I know some people might disagree, but I love them.
I reckon they're one of my favourite too.
Yeah. I love the like Arbor Moon style. Like,
yeah.
I mean, what are you gonna go for the kit?
I'm not going to go B&N because that's too chunky for a street car. But I'm probably going to go for Vertex front bumper and side skirts, and maybe rebar.
Fair enough.
Alright, let's go up here, make sure nothing's in the way. It's so good having a Hoist. See how it locks out there?
Yeah.
Now the lockout's got it and it can't fall on your head. So Charlie, see this lower Crossmember here, where the engine mounts, see these are the engine mounts here? The original Crossmember is actually that one over there, because the original one was actually, they had an RB25 in here, and the RB25 had much more flatter angled engine mount. So this Crossmember is actually out of your R33.
Really?
So I've borrowed your Crossmember. The thing is though, this was actually probably more of a popular one because this is what bolts to the RB25 better. So now we've already got this out, so we can sell this now. And we've also now got all of your power steering out as well. So that's all pretty good condition, so we can sell that one too. So I've already done you a favour and pulled it out of your car for you. Didn't steal it, borrowed, no, swapped. Swapped without Charlie's permission. Well, you don't care? If you pull that one off, yeah, so just something there, if you take that off there, you might get a bit of oil come out of it, but...
Are we going up?
Yep. Spin it the other way, just go. Alright, what have we got here, Charlie?
Alright, so number one, we have the power steering rack from one of my R33s.
What are the ends like?
Yeah, not bent.
Yeah,
Pretty
tie
good
rods.
condition.
Tie rods are straight. What about the boots? Any cracks or anything?
Apart from what we've observed,
No, they're all good.
nothing sees.
The only thing that's got some damage is this little hose. It's a bit creased.
And that's a bit scratched there.
And a
but
bit scratched.
That's not gonna matter.
It's got a great looking boot. Another nice straight tie rod and end. And another good ball joint.
No, at the moment,
For the Crossmember,
I don't know. It looks like 200-ish,
$200, you reckon?
maybe.
If someone wants to pay $200, we'll sell it for that. But we may go lower than that. It's got a bit of surface rust. It's not actually damaged or anything. It's actually perfect condition. How much for this one, you reckon?
What would you say?
Well, these are about $30 to buy these. $30 each, I think.
You said about like...
These are usually about $100 each.
Yeah, you said 200.
200.
I think.
I reckon 150 might sell it.
Yeah, 150.
Yeah, I reckon 150. If we can get $270 out of today's work, towards your new future car. That'd be good, won't it? Awesome. All right, let's put it away and then we'll post it up on Facebook and all that. Awesome. Well, we've done another good day, Charlie. We've cleaned up some parts for you.
Yeah.
Our goal is what? 270 bucks our goal from today. Anything else to say before we get into hanging up?
Probably the best episode we've done.
Best episode? Why is it the best?
Because the
Hoist?
Hoist, yeah, and probably the biggest of it all.
The RB20 in the R32 Sedan.
Love it. So cool.
Awesome. Cool. Well, we'll see you guys next week. Thanks for tuning in. If you know anyone that wants those Skyline parts, feel free to share the video and send us a message. See you guys next week. Oh, we nearly forgot the most important thing, didn't we, Charlie? You've got another Tazui Kawa, however you say it. Is that how you say it?
Yeah,
Tazuri Kawa. So Charlie's signature modification.
All lined up.
On the passenger in the back because I don't really normally like.
Yeah.
Cool, that looks good. It's gonna look good with the window shut. It's a 4-door taxi.